Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video with Reece Jets. Today we have a TUI 787 Dreamliner made by Premier Planes. I really wanted this model. I got it ages ago, but before I got it I really wanted it, but it was quite hard to get hold of. It's 1:250 scale. It's got some information there about the model and Premier portfolio. An assembly guide, more detailing, and then a barcode. So let's get dived in and see what this model is all about. So this is the model itself. It is really nice. I really like it. It's got really nice detailing on it. The engines are really detailed as well, as you can see. It's got a nice stand. It's got curved wings. It is overall a really nice model. Yeah, it's really nice. It hasn't got a registration, but I'm not too fussed. It's got a Dreamliner logo, Boeing 7878, a tail fin, a really nice tail fin, should I say. It's got an APU. The tail is actually a bit dodgy, as you can see there. I haven't broken it, that's how it came. I don't know why it's like that, but yeah, that's how it came. But apart from that, it is a stunning model. Really nice model. As you can see, it is very nice. So let's see what it looks like behind the background.